Hey, welcome back to another video of eTakes. In this video, we are going to learn how to make Character AI group chat. Currently, Character AI does not support group chat in a traditional sense. However, there are ways to simulate or create interaction between multiple characters in a single conversation. Here are some ways you can create a group chat-like experience in Character AI. You can use multiple bots in a single chat. You can interact with multiple bots at once by opening multiple chat character window and switching them between. For example, you can create different character as one of a friend and one of a mentor, and engage in separate chat with toggling them between. Though they won't interact directly with each other, you can simulate the group dynamic. You can create a role-play scenario where you act as a moderator and have multiple characters interact with you, simulating a group conversation. You can also use some predefined bot with interaction. Some users create characters specifically designed for group-style interaction. If you find such character in public library, you can engage with them and see how their interaction unfolds. If you are looking for a true group chat feature, you might consider contacting Character AI support to suggest this as a potential feature for future update. While there isn't a native group chat feature in Character AI at the moment, you can create creative with how you set up interaction to simulate a group environment. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and comment down if you have any queries.